We're going to stay up this late night marketing show, I like to call it, for today. We're going to talk about marketing on social media and the effect that it has and the power that it has, I should say, on your business if you use social media correctly. And specifically, we're going to talk about Facebook groups. So, on Facebook groups is a very good tool for people to use to try to get the attention of their ideal customers. Um, and so that they can help them in advance and then hopefully build their trust and build a loyalty with them that they will be eager to buy from you later. That sound pretty cool? So let's go ahead and get started here. I want to just do a couple things real quick. So what I want to do is kind of get us back to square one here on what we've done so far with um, the video tutorials I put out there, the discussion we had on Facebook groups, and how and why we should use them. So I kind of give you guys a recap while you're formulating your questions. And this is not going to be a very long Q&A session. One, because like I told you, it's 10:30 at night, and I don't know how many marketers are awake or business owners are awake at this time thinking about marketing. They're probably trying to relax, like I usually do at 10:30 at night. But I want to make sure I get this out there because tomorrow is an extremely busy day, and I probably will not be having time to go live tomorrow. So I want to make sure I got this opportunity, give you guys this opportunity to get your questions answered. So let me quickly switch gears here. And what I want to talk to you guys about is marketing on social media 101 Facebook groups, as you can see here. All right, perfect. So over the past week and a half, 2 weeks roughly, approximately, right, I've been talking about Facebook groups and how to use it for your business and how specifically public Facebook groups and some of the advantages that public Facebook groups have, right? And so I've kind of gone in a little bit of detail on this with you guys, earlier in some earlier subsequent videos. And I share with you, what is a Facebook group, right? Facebook group is really a collection of people, a place for people that have like-minded interests to get together on Facebook and share their interests with one another in like a physical networking group or a physical club, right? It's really a club on Facebook. It's a virtual club on Facebook, right? And so that's what it is. So why is it important to use in business, right? Well, because you can get like-minded people together to talk about business. If you're a marketer, you can talk about marketing. If you own a gym, you can talk about fitness, right? So people get together and they talk about fitness. People just love to talk about fitness. If you build more dirt bikes for off-road racing, right? You get a club to talk about off-road racing. If you're in the auto industry and you got a following for people that love buying Cadillacs or Lincolns, right? You have a clubs for those, right? So, or maybe the specific model of a Lincoln, or maybe a specific model of a Chevrolet, or a model of a Chrysler vehicle. Doesn't matter, right? So you just have those type of clubs. So basically, they're online clubs in Facebook, right? Which is pretty cool. So there's all kind of clubs, physical and now virtual clubs around the world, right? That people like to associate with, connect with other like-minded people. So that's why we kind of want to use Facebook groups, right? So I give you a resource, right? I give you the actual definition here. And by the way, I'm going to stop right here for a quick second, a quick pause, a commercial break. Now, look, I'm showing you guys this mind map, but I'm telling you right now, if you guys want a copy of this mind map, I will send it to you, no charge at all. Freely, just all I need to do is let me know in the comments or direct message me, or however you want to get a hold of me, and let me know that you want a copy of this mind map, and I will send it to you. Very simple. And this mind map is pretty cool because not only does it have these resources, I have here links to resources for you in this mind map, right, for my own personal usage and teaching this course or teaching this information to you or sharing this information to you, but also it has some checklists in here as well. And so it kind of nicely, maps out what you need to do if you're trying to use Facebook groups. So it might be a very useful document or tool or mind map, whatever you want to call it, one pager for you that allows you to do everything at once. So please feel free to let me know if you want it, and I will definitely share it with you. So, all right, so I talked about Facebook groups. Sorry about that. I probably went off the screen. So I talked about Facebook groups and how you can use and what it's used for, and there's a resource link in here for you to use as well, right? And then I talked about four things you need to know about Facebook, right? So I kind of talked about that. 4 things you need to know about Facebook groups. I shared that with you guys in earlier videos, right? I'm not going to go through each and every one of them here today. But as you can see here, we got Facebook groups that are used by over 1 million people, right? Facebook groups provide a two-way conversation with your ideal prospects and customers. Now, I talked about this specifically in one of my videos, right? So your Facebook fan page is not a good, actually not fan page, your Facebook business page is not a good two-way conversation tool. It's really a one-way conversation tool if you think about it. You're just telling people what you're doing, and hopefully they like it and they might comment about it. But the groups allows for more of a community involvement. Typically, members of Facebook groups can post to your into your group with other resourceful information, right? Which is very helpful. It helps grow your group. On a Facebook business page, it's not. I think you can do it, but it's not typical that people will do it. They will post to your business page, right? Because you want to control the content that's on your business page. So you typically want to allow that to happen. But in a group, you can have that happen. So it's more of a two-way conversation. There's more conglomerate type of information being shared that not only helps you and your brand, but also helps everyone else. Okay. So that's why Facebook groups are really, really important. And that's why I believe that Facebook, I shared this in the previous videos, right? That's why I believe that Facebook gives more organic love to Facebook groups than does Facebook business pages. Well, a business page, they want to fund all their software development and their salaries with advertisement. And so who better to advertise than a business? So what's the incentive of them? Really think about it, guys. What's the incentive of Facebook giving you free organic traffic from your Facebook business page? They want to incentivize you to use paid advertising, which is why you always constantly see boost this post underneath your regular post, right? You always see boost your post. So they encourage advertising for Facebook pages. So the test here, and I'm testing out this theory, right? This is my theory. I don't work for Facebook, so I don't know exactly what they're thinking about. But my theory is they like Facebook groups. It's a two-way conversation. And more people interact in a group, the longer people are on Facebook. The longer people are on Facebook engaging their group, right? Then they can also provide more ads in front of them. Therefore, it's a win-win situation for Facebook and also for the consumer, the user of Facebook as well, and the business owner that does it right. So that's why I'm saying that Facebook groups is probably a better way of going now if you want to get organic traffic. So if you're just starting out and you got a Facebook, you're just on your business and you're thinking, do I need to do a business page or do a group? Well, I'm telling you right now, do both. So do both, but expect that your group should grow faster than your business page. If you're just looking for organic traffic, your engagement rate should be higher on your group than it will be on your Facebook business page. Okay, so that's that. I kind of went over those things. I don't want to go deep diving because the videos are out there. Listen here. So if you're on my YouTube channel, you'll be able to find all the videos concerning marketing on social media 101 videos with Facebook groups in the playlist on my YouTube channel. It's there. It's called Marketing on Social Media. You go to that playlist, you see all the videos right there for you to go through one by one, all the tutorial videos for you. If you're on Facebook, right? If you go there, I created a topic, and it's called Facebook groups. If you're in my Facebook group, which is called Marketing for Small Business, you'll find it there. And you'll find it in the topics section, all the videos, 8 videos for the topics of Facebook group. All right. So that's what you have there. I went over that in some videos. I'm not going to go in detail with that anymore. But now I want to switch gears to what we went over next. I uploaded, published 7 setup videos for Facebook group, walking through every step to optimize your settings for your Facebook group to protect you and protect your members of your group from spammy type activity or malice activity, destructive activity in your group. So I showed you one by one how to do that. Now, this is the cool part of this mind map. Another reason why you want to probably get this mind map is because I lay out for you step by step. I link to every step here has a link to the tutorial video that I walk through on my YouTube channel. Right, you can find the same videos on Facebook, but I just put the link in the mind map to my YouTube channel. Right, so you can just click on the link and watch the video there. Right, and so create your Facebook group. I broke it down into all the steps for this phase of creating your Facebook group. Right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now, the cool part is, like, as you complete the step, you can check it off you can check off the steps here in the mind map, and it tells you how much you actually completed of that step, right? So if you want this mind map with the checklist included, just let me know, send me a message, leave a comment, and I will get this to you so you can use it. Now, if you're asking me what software am I using for this mind map, I use Apple. I'm an Apple computer user, so I use a Mac software, and I use a software called MindNode. Right. If you want this, I'll give you the link to MindNode. If you don't have it on the computer, you can download it. They have a free version of it. So if you have a Mac, no big issue there. And then if you use a PC, if you use a PC, there's a software that you can use that's called FreeMind, and I can give that to you as well. So I think I had the stuff off the screen, so I apologize. But here's what I'm trying to show you. If you check off the items, right, you will see the progress change. So there you have it, right? Give me a name. I'll go through each and every one of these steps here for you. It's all in tutorial video, all in resource links, so you can walk through that pretty easily. Okay. The other thing we talk about here is I talked about except for optimization, right? I'll go deep dive into that again. Here's a YouTube link for that. We deep dive into it, right? Inviting members, add a cover photo, add a description. Once again, the checklist is there. Oop. Inviting members, add a cover photo, add a description, right? Once again, the checklist is there, and you can just click off on the items as you complete them, and you can show yourself as completely done. See? So there you have it. That's for the checklist. You can do it that way as well. So I go through each and every one of these for you, right, guys. I went through each one of these steps for you, so you can see it here. Right, they're all here. Managing discussion setup. Now, the last video tutorial I went through is posting content. All right, I talked about the content types. I talked about the post type and the post frequency. Right, I broke down. There's 3 types of content: the connection, how to, and offer. Right, I gave you examples of the different connection types of posts you can make or content you can make. I talked about the different types of post type. You got photo, video, live video, messenger room, right? It's all in the video tutorial series I provided for you. You can easily get that there. It's all in the link. It's all linked up, so you can grab that information for you. So with that being said, I didn't want to spend a whole bunch of time going through everything because the video tutorials are out there for you already. If you do end up watching the replay of this live stream and you have any questions, please feel free to go ahead and leave a question in the comments. I will get notified and I will answer your question. And again, if you still want a copy of this mind map, you can get a copy of this mind map. I will give a copy of this to you, so you can have it for your resource, for your references, and for it to aid you and guide you in creating your Facebook group and creating your posts and your content. So if you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, subscribe to my channel, or join my Facebook group, or join my page wherever you're watching this live stream, or the replay, I should say it now, of the live stream. So hopefully if you found this helpful, if you'd like more Q&A sessions, I want to do more Q&A sessions for you. Thank you so much. I had a great time here. We're going to wrap this show up. I will see you all the next time. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye now.